Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Updates. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys about Anoma listing. So this update is mainly for those of you that participated in the Anoma Airdrop campaign and you are eligible for some token. So Anoma is going to be listed on the 23rd of September 2025 at 10 a.m. UTC. Anoma is going to be listed on several exchanges like MEXC, Binance, Kraken exchange, Bybit, and some other exchange as well. So at the time of making this video, you can now check for the Anoma preview on CoinGecko, as you can see on the screen. So you can get some minor updates on Anoma. You can see the function of Anoma, what they are building, and the rest. So Anoma is going to be listed today. For those of you that participated in the testnet campaign, yapping, you got Anoma eligibility through Discord rule and some other methods, you are good to go. Alright guys, so Anoma total supply is going to be 10 billion XAN token. So total allocation for community marketing liquidity is 25%, R&D and ecosystem is 19%, Anoma Foundation is 10%, core contributors 15%, backers 31%, as you can see on the screen. So this is a project that raised some big amounts of funds from several investors. So pre-market price was around $0.15. So there is high chance that Anoma is going to list between 0.09 to $0.2. So this is what you need to know for those of you waiting for the Anoma listing date. What's your price prediction for Anoma? So I've given you guys my price prediction. I would love to know your price prediction for Anoma. So this project is going to be listed on Kraken exchange, KuCoin, Bybit, MEXC, and Binance as well. So just make sure you are active at 10 a.m. UTC. Alright guys, so see you on the winning side, hopefully. So I just hope it's going to be USDT, but let's just hope it is USDT. No matter the outcome, we get our doors, we move on. Stay blessed guys, and see you on the winning side. So I made different videos on how you can participate in crypto airdrops to be eligible for some potential rewards. So please make sure to follow all my handles, check all my channels. You are going to see some early alphas for you to participate in to maximize your chance of getting some potential rewards. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. Don't forget, I would love to know your price prediction for Anoma. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal greens to your wallet. Peace out.